some of you noticed that my energy's been really low lately, and that's for a good reason. Over the last month, or at least the last 2 weeks, I was completing that course that y'all are taking now, the toxic identifying toxic repetitive cycles course. So I was recording daily for the last 2 weeks. I was recording that course, and I was finishing up my marketing degree at the same time. So I was zapped, to say the least. But I wanted to keep showing up for you guys, so you got what you got. Sorry about that. Not sorry. And just coincidentally, today is Independence Day. It's the 4th of July, and there are fireworks to be had today. But you know what? I'm not having fireworks just because it's Independence Day. I'm having fireworks because I have completed 2 major accomplishments at one time. Whoa! That girl bad. Okay, that girl is bad. So, here's to you. Cheers to me. And taking on this life journey head on, no breaks. I love y'all. Happy 4th of July. Mwah.